Will cat repellent smells harm the environment?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be exploring a very specific question. Will cat repellent smells harm the environment? It's crucial to understand the impacts of the products we use, not only on ourselves and our pets, but also on the larger environment. So, let's dive right into it.
What is cat repellent?
Cat repellents are products designed to deter cats from certain areas. They come in various forms like sprays, granules, and ultrasonic devices. Today, we're focusing on those that work through smell. These products use strong odors that are unpleasant to cats, but usually not noticeable to humans, to keep cats away from specific areas.
How do cat repellents work?
Cat repellents usually contain natural or synthetic compounds that cats find disagreeable. These can include ingredients like citronella, rosemary, and peppermint oils for natural repellents, or methyl nonyl ketone for synthetic ones. The smell of these ingredients is typically intense for cats and discourages them from the sprayed area.
Can cat repellent smells harm the environment?
The impact of cat repellent smells on the environment largely depends on the ingredients used. Natural repellents, as the name suggests, utilize substances derived from nature. Generally, these ingredients are biodegradable and non-toxic to the environment, making them a more environmentally friendly option. On the other hand, synthetic repellents often contain chemicals that can be harmful if they infiltrate soil or water sources. Prolonged use of these products could potentially contribute to environmental pollution. However, it's important to note that most commercial repellents are regulated to ensure that they're safe for use and don't cause significant harm to the environment. In conclusion, while some cat repellents, particularly those made with synthetic ingredients, may have potential environmental impacts, the risk is generally low due to regulations. If you're concerned about the environmental footprint of your cat repellent, consider opting for products made with natural ingredients. As always, it's important to use such products responsibly, following the manufacturer's instructions. We hope this video has given you some insight into the effects of cat repellent smells on the environment. Stay informed and keep making environmentally conscious choices.